Today is Wednesday, the 18th of May. I want to run through 10 stocks and show you why choosing the right Ichimoku time frame is so important. Apple started off the day like a rocket and shot right through the 5-minute cloud. And if you're trading with Fibonacci's, you had a 61.8% line there. You had a 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. But it looked like everything was great, broke that, came up and tested, came down but stayed above the 61.8. However, if you moved up a chart and you looked at the 30-minute, you'll see that Apple actually ran into problems right here when it smacked into the 30-minute chart and then just proceeded to move sideways for the rest of the day. Let's go over to the next one. Let's look at Amazon. If you looked at Amazon, it moved quite nicely all day long through the 15-minute cloud, hitting the top of the cloud and pulling back and following the cloud. If you move up one time frame to the 30-minute, you'll see that it moved up nicely until it smacked into the 30-minute cloud, and then it started to move down. So if you were trading on the 15-minute or watching the 15-minute and think everything was rosy, oops, what happened here? Well, we bumped into the 200 and we moved down. How does the cloud help me see that? Move to the 30-minute, you can see right there where the resistance was. Let's move to Baidu. If you're trading Baidu on the 15-minute chart today, it sort of went up and down, zigzag, but it kept above the cloud. If you move time frame forward to the 30-minute chart, you see really where the problem was is as soon as it smacked into the 30-minute time frame, it was running into resistance that was this thick, which is fairly significant, and that was able to hold Baidu down until we just started moving down with the cloud. And my fear tomorrow is that we continue to move down with the 30-minute cloud, but I'll be watching other time frames as well. Move to the next stock. And we see Caterpillar. Caterpillar had a great day today and was up, I think, almost $4 at one point, and finished up $3.17. Lovely day. When it started out of the gate, it broke right through the 5-minute cloud, and then it started to, well, it just kept moving up. I don't think we had really anything to worry about all day long, so we switched to the 15-minute, and you see that on the 15-minute, it was even able to breeze right through quite comfortably through a lot of resistance on the 15-minute cloud. Then you move up to the 30, and the 30 never even came into the picture today. Now the 30-minute cloud comes into the picture tomorrow, and I would be watching for resistance around 106 on the 30-minute cloud. Moving to the next chart, we have FFIV. What a great day for FFIV. It was up over $5, up over $109 at one point, finished $4.68 up, had a great day. Like other stocks that you saw, it broke through the 5-minute cloud early in the day. If we move to the 15-minute cloud, you can see that it had no problem with the 15-minute cloud. Let's jump up to the 4-hour cloud. And you can see that the 4-hour cloud right here, these two candles, 4-hour cloud never came into the picture. The only one that I look at now, cloud-wise for FFIV, is the daily. And ever since we entered the cloud here, we've been moving up quite nicely with some reasonable ranges during the day. But for me, the buy signal is going to be start adding when it hits 110. And I think that might be the magic number for a lot of buyers wanting to step in. Let's move to the next chart. We're getting near the end. JP Morgan is a slow mover. It was moving through the 1-hour cloud today. On the 4-hour cloud, not much activity there. Let's just move on to the next stock. Mosaic. Mosaic struggled all day long. It had a great day yesterday, moving up nicely. Struggled as soon as it hit the 1-hour cloud today, formed a doji in the first 1 hour, and then just moved sideways and seemed to hug this 127.2% fib line. I'm not sure if moving up is going to tell us very much, maybe moving down to the 30-minute. and you can see that the price is sort of moving with the 30-minute, indicating some possible downward motion again tomorrow for Mosaic. BTU was a great stock today, moved up nicely. If you were on the 5-minute chart, you certainly profited until later on in the morning when it slowed down, then it moved up, and then it channeled for the rest of the afternoon. If you move to the 15-minute time frame, it wasn't affected. It moved through the 15-minute time frame right at the start of the day, moved to the 30. It moved nicely all day long until it hit the top of the 30, and then it started to flatten out, which is also, sorry, it's not a fib line there, just the 30-minute provided a cap. So if we look tomorrow, on the 30-minute we see some continued resistance from the cloud. However, what is likely to happen to BTU tomorrow is that we could see it move to the side of the cloud, and it may move down or it may pop up, in which case we'll want to go and take a look at the 15-minute. And you can see that the 15 minutes cloud shows a nice steady uptrend. So after breaking the 30 tomorrow, you might want to move to the 15 and watch how it handles the 15-minute. There's a quick look at some stocks today and how changing time frames with your Ichimoku can give you some good insight.